Why do developers and general contractors select Bigge? Because Bigge takes great pride not only in providing tower cranes from the world's top manufacturers, but we also boast the most reliable fleet of equipment through unparalleled preparation, maintenance, and repair. Our tower crane technicians are trained to a level that meets or exceeds the manufacturer's standards. Prior to delivery to a job site, our cranes go through an exhaustive inspection process, ensuring efficiency in cost and operation for our customers. Repairs, if necessary, take place when a crane comes off-rent, addressing any known issues related to prior usage. Our technicians continually refer to a list of over 200 inspection points in preparation for deployment. Great care is taken so that all systems are able to perform as intended. Electrical circuits and systems are tested for functionality and integrity, and motors are replaced or repaired accordingly. Moving parts, including slewing ring, trolley, and drums, are verified to have their full range of motion. Every inch of wire rope is inspected by hand, examined for defects or imperfections, and replaced if needed. In total, over 140 hours of shop time contribute to the excellent condition of these cranes. The result is the dependability and minimum downtime of cranes that may be used in demanding conditions. This work is done not just to the benefit of our customers. It also reinforces Bigge's reputation as a trusted partner to general contractors and developers everywhere.